So, David, what's an algorithm?
It's kind of like the bow tie method.
Well, what is the bow? I've never heard of the bow tie method. Why don't you tell me?
So what the bow tie is you take the number in the bottom left corner, and then you multiply it by the number in the top right corner. Then you put it down below, and then you do the bottom left. Then you multiply the bottom left number with the top left number and put it next to the one from the top right. And then you do the same thing with the bottom, except you put a zero in. You put a zero in the ones column before you write your other numbers down, and then you add the two numbers together, and that's your answer.
How do you know it's the right answer?
Well, you can check your work with a calculator or something.
Mm.
Sorry.
Do you like the bow tie method?
Yeah.
Why?
It's very efficient. It sounds really complicated, but it's pretty easy.
What do you mean by it's efficient?
Like, if you tried to do it if you did like 256 times 210, you can figure it out a lot quicker than like counting on your fingers or something.
So the bow tie method's better than counting on your fingers.
Or using another way.
What other way would you use?
I don't really know.
Those are the ways you know how to use it? Okay.
Or maybe rounding. It's more accurate than rounding.
Oh, so how would you do that, the problem you just said right now, by rounding? What numbers did you have before?
You round the 256. I think that's, yeah. Up to 250.
Mm-hmm.
And then, what was the other number again?
What other number?
Let's just say 210.
Okay.
And then if you don't really have to round that one. But then you could say 210 times 260 equals blank. But that would take a lot more than just using the bow tie method. And there's a chance that you can get it wrong. With the bow tie, there's not really a big chance of you getting it wrong.
Well, if the bow tie method is efficient, why wouldn't you just put in the calculator?
Well, because you usually aren't allowed to use a bow tie. Well, no, I mean a calculator.
When aren't you allowed to use a calculator?
On tests and stuff.
Oh, I see.
And this is mostly for both two-number problems, but you can do it for one-number problems. Or like when there's one number on the bottom and two on the top. It gets really complicated with three-number problems, but you can still do it.